We can now literally create anything with AI, and I'm not talking about n8n, I am not talking about Python, I'm talking purely prompts. What I'm going to show in this video is something everyone could do, but you just need to know how. We are going to create an AI agent without any coding, without any drag and dropping. It works directly. So let me shortly introduce myself. My name is Luc Alleman and I'm the founder of Everyman AI and They Do AI. And along the way, I'm learning how to create AI systems very well, and now I'm teaching everything on my YouTube channel. So if you think this is useful for you, please like and subscribe. And yeah, let's just head in because this is really exciting stuff. So we are going to create this AI sales agent. And basically the idea behind this video is, okay, if we can create a really sophisticated AI agent purely lovable, we can actually build everything else as well. And I really didn't know that it was able to do this, but it's really cool to see. So let's dive straight in. Okay, so what we are actually going to do is we are going to create an AI agent with Lovable. And before I discovered this, for me Lovable was just a front end. So everything that I was building had Lovable at the front end, and then I had some Python backend that was connected to each other with an API. But this got me thinking, Lovable is creating TypeScript. We can also create more sophisticated systems using TypeScript as well, instead of Python. So what I did is I went to the OpenAI Agents SDK and I went to the overview and I just went scrolling through this, and I basically went on and I copy pasted every page which I thought would be nice for Lovable to have knowledge of. And then when I had that, I created one big prompt that will basically generate an AI agent which is super custom. It doesn't take any knowledge to create, and I think this is the biggest point here. You don't need any AI agent experience to still create AI agents. I mean, with n8n, you still need some knowledge. You need to understand the flow, you need to understand how to drag and drop everything. But now with Lovable, you can just create one prompt and it will just create an AI agent with a front end already in place. And before, you could also generate AI agents with AI, but then you went to ChatGPT or Claude, you paste that prompt in, and then you still needed to host it somewhere. You needed to get the API endpoint, give that to Lovable. It was still a bit of a hassle. But now we can just create one prompt, put it all into Lovable, and it would create a really sophisticated AI agent. And not some kind of customer care AI agent. I mean, all the YouTubers are creating customer care AI agents, and we already know those by now. So I wanted to create something very production ready. So without further ado, we went to Supabase and we created this very plain database. Okay, now that we had that, let's create a prompt. So we copy pasted everything that we needed. We went to Claude. We asked it to write a prompt based on everything that we wanted to create. And then we had our prompt, which is here. So we basically now have this prompt and we can just copy it. We can go to Lovable, we can paste it, and then we can add our project. So we say agents and bam, we are starting to generate the project. Let me now very quickly fast forward to the actual project because this takes a long time. The only thing that we needed to do is we needed to give our OpenAI API key as a Supabase secret. We did that and it created this landing page. So what we have created is we have this sales AI agent on a landing page, and it is going to convert our website visitors into real customers. So we have this chatbot here, we can click it and all of this is already working. We can already test it out, it has some interface, and let me show it. We had one prompt, we added our API key, and that's it. We did not do anything else about this. So let's now say, hi there. Hey, thanks for reaching out. I'd love to learn more about your business and any challenges you're facing right now. So it's really looking into understanding our business. So we can now say, sure, we build and sell AI automations to basically all businesses. Okay, that's great to hear. The AI automation space is growing rapidly. So it's really trying to understand. It is also keeping score of our current conversation, and this is something that I wouldn't show personally inside of this front end, but more on the back end. But what is happening now is we can test if it knows anything about our conversation history. So please summarize what I do. Absolutely, you build and sell AI automation solutions to a wide range of businesses. So this is already really cool. It knows everything about us. It understands the conversation flow, and we can now say, okay, I want to use this product. Please send me to the sign up page. So let's see. Bam. And it now opens up the pop-up to actually create an account and go on with the free trial, for example. So this is done with one prompt. We have a front end, we have a back end. It has some advanced logic in it. And I think this opens up a lot of opportunities to create really sophisticated SaaS apps without actually understanding the APIs at all. And this is really blowing my mind, to be honest. Like, I'm not lying, it is really blowing my mind, because now people without any technical experience can just create something like this. You should really use this in your projects. It's just amazing. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, because this helps me and my channel reach more people. And obviously that's what I want. I want everyone to be able to work with AI like this in the most advanced and quick and simple way as possible.